This is the bathroom. Now watch out. We got some bad roaches here.
And you're on our turf, man. And man, I tell you what's so bad.
You on WhatBugsMe? Cost. Why does pest control cost so much? After all, you can go to Wally World, get some bug juice, and hose the house down all to your heart's content. You'll save money and acquire a sense of accomplishment against Mother Nature. Go to your spouse and rave about your ability to protect the family. Then a week later, guess who's back? So because you're the protector and provider of your family, you already know what to do. You go grab your spray and go to town on the little buggers again. You've won, conquered your demon bugs. For now. I know. There's already several of you already yelling at the screen, going, but I used this, and I got rid of them, and I got this, and I got rid of them. Check the other links in the description. We can argue about that there. I say most people's perspective about what is required is the problem here. So many times when I quote a price for pest control, I hear the same thing. Well, that's less than what I've spent, and I still had to call somebody. Yep. It may be a shock to you, but Wally World does not have the pesticide market cornered. But they do make a killing. Pun intended. Selling the stuff over and over and over and over and over and over to you. Not because it doesn't kill the bugs, but because you don't know how to use it. You don't understand what it is designed to do, what it can do, what it can't do. Now, tell the truth. You didn't even read the instructions, did you? No. Did you know that the law requires you to read the label and follow it exactly? You're not paying for the chemical. Pest control is not about the pesticides. You've already seen how expensive those can be, haven't you? Pest control is about knowledge. I can have all the medicine and operating tools in the world and even have a book about how to replace your kidney. Would you hop onto my table? I hope not. I don't know what I'm doing. Get off my table. My kids eat there. Anyway, you get the point. I fully believe that when a pest control operator gets 5 years of experience under his belt, he has only begun to understand the industry. Pest control is like the medical and legal fields. It's a practice. The laws, products, methods, customers, what they want, those change constantly. Your bug man has to be an entomologist, a chemical engineer, a construction expert, a plumbing expert, a mathematician, and know how to explain all these complicated subjects to you. You're not paying for the chemical. The Tennessee Department of Agriculture says that I have to have a certain number of points acquired from classes each year, CEUs. I need those points to maintain my certification, which I need to maintain my license, which I need to maintain my charter. Holding that all up is the required insurance and bonds needed to even qualify for those other things. And you guessed it, each one of those has a price tag attached to it. All of this so the state can say that I'm supposed to know what I'm talking about. That's part of why I'm not spraying your house for a $20 bill. Everyone knows a business has expenses. Paper, ink, advertising, gas, oil. In pest control, we have to come to you where the problem is. On top of that, all the stuff we need or might need needs to come with us. There are a billion bugs out there, and I have something for just about every one of them on my truck. You're not paying for the chemical. If I could afford it, I would take every class available concerning pest control. I read books and manuals with wide-eyed interest and would make the proudest science teacher fall off into Sleepyland. Utilizing a network of other pest professionals to ask questions and share stories is another way I try to set myself apart from the crowd. The more knowledge I can shove into my little brain, the better off you are when you call me with a problem. Having the knowledge of what the pest eats, its habits, where it likes to hide, and how best to handle it makes the entire process shorter and less painful for both of us. I have also pursued extra certifications like the ACE, the Associate Certified Entomologist. My last name is not Ace, by the way. And an AIB certification. You're not paying for the chemical. So, what are you paying for? In short, you're paying for me. I've dedicated my life to pest control and keeping up with an ever-changing landscape of it. Every year, it seems there's a new bug that has been brought in causing havoc. I have to learn everything about it so that I can be ready when you call. You're paying for my knowledge, my 15 years experience, my dedication, and my smiling face. All right, so that one's only worth about 50 cents, but anyway, better scratch that last one. That might scare the kiddos. And unfortunately, you are paying for the taxes I have to pay to legally come to your house and kill things. If you have a problem with that one, don't come to me. You know where to go. Good luck with that one. You're not paying for the chemical. You're not paying for me to spray. What? But that's why I called you, you said. You've already proven that just spraying pesticides is not the answer. Why would you want me to do the same thing that you failed at? Oh, because I have the good stuff? Link in the description. Well, here's a knowledge bomb for you. It's unfortunate, but you can legally buy the same products I use without Uncle Sam looking over your shoulder like he does me. I, on the other hand, have to have all the aforementioned things just to buy them. So why the heck would you ever bother calling me? Because I have the experience and the knowledge to fix the problem without hurting your family. If you think you can do it, go right ahead. I'll leave my contact information in the description for when it fails. You're not paying for the chemical. You're not paying for me to spray. You're paying for me to do it right. If you want it done right, give us a call. You WhatBugsMe! Cost! But I love to kill them.
Welcome back to Venom the Chamber.
Killing you, Smalls!
How's everybody doing tonight?
Yes, for certain. There is no stopping them. The end will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome all you insect overlords. I'd like to remind them that as a trusted TV personality, it can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar cave.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.